Just setting up my camera here. Oh, I got the mouse right here. I try to set it up good enough so it doesn't fall down. Because normally it wants to fall down. Take two. So I found this word this morning. It's examine. And there is your Greek, of course. And what are the English elements on this? Up, judge. Up, judge. The concordant definition, this explains it. Hold up so as to judge. Anakrino is the Greek. See, I can pronounce that. I like, practicing on my own, but not really saying it on the video. But practicing this Greek sometimes is, on my own, so I can really articulate the words, maybe, which I'm not the greatest at, articulating words, tickling. That's funny. So we got the concordant scripture here. 1 Corinthians 4:3. Now to me it is the least trifle, that I may be being examined by you or by man's day. But neither am I examining myself. 1 Corinthians 4:4. For of nothing am I conscious as to myself, but not by this am I justified. Now he who is examining me is the Lord. 1 Corinthians 9:3-4. My defense of those examining me is this: have we no right at all to eat and drink? 1 Corinthians 14:24. Now if all should be prophesying, yet some unbeliever or plain person be entering, he is being exposed by all, he is being examined by all. 1 Corinthians 9:14-15. Now the soulish man is not receiving those things which are of the Spirit of God, for they are stupidity to him, and he is not able to know them, seeing that they are spiritually examined. Now he who is spiritual is indeed examining all, yet he is being examined by no one. And the last one here, 1 Corinthians 9:14-15. Everything that is sold at the meat market be eating, examining nothing because of conscience. For the Lord's is the earth, and that which fills it. If anyone of the unbelievers is inviting you, and you want to go, be eating everything that is placed before you, examining nothing because of conscience.